how them folks be faking just to get a check? Oh, never mind. What's up? So why you looking like that? And when I said, why you ain't say, yes, we had a good day? She know you lying, man. She gonna talk to me.
I can't keep telling no stuff for you, because that make me feel like I'm skipping school with you. You my friend. I just want the best for you.
I want the best too. I am the best. He told me.
A man tell you anything to get in your pants.
Tell somebody, baby.
Man, come on. There you go at that mama talking, man. You just don't know. You'll know in a little while one day when you know.
I had to make a stop. You know it.
Well, I'm telling you, I'm a grown woman now, so this is what grown women do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna love you forever, but I'm grown now, honey.
I hear you, honey.
Well, let's go ahead and start packing this stuff up, and if I'm not too busy talking to Tyrone, I'll call you, okay?
Yeah, well.
Okay. Bye. You have a nice night, okay? All right.
Scene 6, Unique. Unique is in her bedroom and noticed something different.
Whew. I ain't look at my bed. Messed up. Whew. Goodness gracious. What? I got feel something on feel right down there. Let me go take a beer and take a look, because I don't know gotta do something about this now. What is this on me? Oh my God, no! Oh my God, this must be that new Bath and Body Works I use down here. It gotta be an allergic reaction or something. I got to go to the clinic tomorrow because something is truly wrong. I don't even want to look at it. And it hurts so bad, Lord. I gotta get this look done. Woo!
Samantha and the other kids are lined up at the bus stop. Samantha looks and looks, but no sign of Unique. After school, Unique is waiting on her to walk to the after school program.
Hey, Miss Tyrone, how you doing today?
I'm good.
What's wrong with you? You're not sounding like yourself.
Man, it's bad for nothing. Like, I never thought I'd be going through what I'm going through right now. I mean, I don't even want to talk about it. Like, it's bad, man. It's bad. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
What's wrong, friend? Tell me.
It's bad. It's bad.
Help somebody, baby.
Samantha, they said I got herpes when I went to the doctor.
Oh, friend, I'm so sorry, friend.
Thank you so much, man. I'm so stupid. Like, I feel so stupid. I don't even know why I didn't listen. All this word we get from apostle, pastor, co-pastor, minister, evangelist, everybody. Why couldn't I listen to them? Lord have mercy.
You was just young.
I know, man. I know, but come on. We got too much good teaching, young people, for us not to grasp onto this. I had to learn the hard way, but I won't. This won't happen again. No other. But I thank you for being by my side.